Yo, so this right here is the iPad Pro 11-inch with the M4 chip in space black. I also got the Apple Pencil Pro. In this video, I want to give you guys a super chill unboxing and share my initial impressions. But I will be making a detailed review later on once I've had more time with the device. Taking a look at the box, this is typical Apple packaging. Towards the back, you've got 256 GB and this is Wi-Fi only, but there is a cellular model available. And you have the iPad Pro in front. First thing in the box, you are greeted with the iPad itself, and picking it up for the first time, this feels really light, especially for a Pro device, and it's actually really thin as well. So I'm gonna keep it to the side for now. Here we have the Designed by Apple in California booklet, which basically has your documentation. So iPad Pro, quick start guide, some safety and warranty information. It's really sad that Apple has stopped including Apple stickers. I really like collecting those. We also have a 20-watt charging adapter. So the iPad Pro can actually charge up to 40 watts wired, but yeah, it's kind of disappointing to see that the brick inside the box is only 20 watts. We also have a braided USB-C to C charging cable. Now the cable's color is going to be color matched to your iPad. So here we have a black braided USB-C cable, which is nice. Now getting to the iPad itself, again, super lightweight. And this is my first time with a space black finish. So my MacBook Air that I use right now is midnight blue, which I really like, but it gets covered in fingerprints. So that's the iPad. Now let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Pencil Pro. So we have the Designed by Apple in California booklet. Again, it's gonna have a bunch of documentation, Apple Pencil Pro, quick start guide, safety information and stuff like that. And finally, we have the Pencil Pro itself. Looks and feels really nice. It has some weight to it. So that's the unboxing experience. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this up really quickly and get back to you guys with my first impressions. Alright, so I set up the iPad Pro and have been using it for the last 30 minutes. And I must say, I'm really impressed, especially with this new design. I really like the space black color. It looks really clean. It does attract a few fingerprints here and there, but it's not as bad as my MacBook Air, which is in midnight blue. But overall, this color looks really good. And I'm really surprised as to how thin and light this iPad is. It's 5.3 millimeters in terms of the thickness and weighs 444 grams, which for a Pro device that packs so much power into it is really good. It's really comfortable to hold, and of course this is the iPad Pro, so the build quality is top notch. Talking about the display, this is a 11-inch Ultra Retina XDR display with ProMotion. Now specs aside, it is a lot of fun to use. Animations and transitions feel really smooth. Now we have ProMotion on the iPhones, but this is something else. Like the smoothness here is just too good. And everything looks really sharp, everything is vibrant. This is a tandem OLED display, as Apple calls it, and it gets really bright. So 1000 nits of peak brightness, and in HDR content, you can go up to 1600 nits. I did watch a couple of YouTube videos, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. In terms of software, I'm still running iPadOS 18. There is an update to iOS or iPadOS 26, which I'm not gonna do right now because there are a few bugs. I'm gonna wait for a fix. I also tried the Apple Pencil Pro, which now has haptics. So there's this squeeze feature, which lets you switch and select different tools. Now, this is really weird for me. Pencils in real life don't have vibration motors, so it's gonna take me a while to get used to it. But overall, the iPad Pro 11-inch with M4 has been really nice to use, and I'm gonna, spend some more time with it, come back to you guys with a detailed review. And until then, if you have any questions or queries, do let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to test something specific, again, do drop it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future uploads. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.